How to transfer your files from your laptop to your phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your files from your laptop to your phone. Now for this method we will not be using any wires and we will be using cloud. So let us begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is open up your web browser. After you open it up, just go to Google Drive. So after you're on your drive, you'll simply need to upload your files. Now to upload your files, you can drag it and drop it like I do right here. Just look at the method I use. So just drag it and drop it, or you can simply tap on plus and tap on insert or upload a file or folder, and then you can add it here. Now after you're done adding it, you'll simply need to open your phone. So after you've done uploading your files or folders on your Google Drive on your PC, you'll simply need to open up your drive and log into your account and open up your Google Drive as I said before, and then head over to the file location. Now all you need to do is right click, that is on the three dots, just click on the three dots. Now as you can see, now there are a lot of options where I can download this, so I'll simply save it to file. Now you can select the file location here too, tap on save after you've selected the file location, and yeah, it will just start downloading. Now you can head over to your files and go to the file location again. So let us search for the file location. Now as you can see right here, I've just downloaded the file on my files on my device. So yeah, that is basically how you transfer your files from your laptop to your mobile phone. So yeah, that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys.